Hello everyone, my name is Jessica. This is my channel and I would like to welcome you. I am a transformational life coach and today I would like to talk about trauma and what it is and different types of trauma. So what trauma is it's a deeply distressing or disturbing experience. A traumatic event is an incident that causes physical, emotional, spiritual, or psychological harm. The person experiencing the distressing event, they feel may feel physically threatened or extremely frightened as a result. Let's go over some different types of trauma now. First I have here is acute trauma. This results from a single stressful or dangerous event. Chronic trauma. This results in repeated and prolonged exposure to highly stressful events. Examples of chronic trauma are child abuse, bullying, and domestic violence. I also have here complex trauma. This results from exposure to multiple traumatic events. And there's also secondary trauma or vicarious trauma. This is another form of trauma. With this form of trauma, a person develops trauma symptoms from close contact with someone who has experienced a traumatic event. Here are some emotional and psychological responses. A person who has experienced trauma may feel denial, anger, fear, sadness, shame, confusion, anxiety, depression, numbness, guilt, hopelessness, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. So I just wanted to say that if you have experienced any type of trauma or any of these symptoms due to any of these types of trauma, that you are not alone. And there are ways to cope with and overcome these traumas that you may currently be going through or traumas that you have gone through in the past. And there are ways to overcome um, these symptoms of negative symptoms of um, denial or fear or anger, um, or any type of distress that you may be currently going through due to trauma that you may have experienced in your life. Um, and self-sabotaging habits that you may be currently doing or experiencing. There are tools and ways to deal with those things. So um, that is all for today. In my next video, I will be going over the different effects that trauma has on different parts of your body, and tools to use in order to cope with different types of trauma. And so we will be going over those in my next video. So if everyone could just please like, share, and subscribe, and please hit the bell notification so you can be notified for my next video. And I hope that someone that has watched this has gotten value out of um, this video today, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. All right.